need cooling, baby, I'm not fooling.
What's going on, y'all? Are you ready for some risky business today? Because I sure as hell am. And I'm going to risk it for the biscuit. Right. All right. Short story. Came out to this unit yesterday. System was leaking. Didn't have time to repair the leak. It's going to come back today. It's today. I have footage of the leak. Go ahead and insert the footage. Insert the footage? Bro, insert the fucking footage. Thank you. All right. So the leak was right down here. A little bit of oil, micro leak, okay? So I got me one of them Zoomlock push footings. Zoomlock push fittings. I'm gonna see how it does. I was watching Adrian's stuff over the weekend about, he's got the press and then he did the push, but I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit and put this in. But look how terrible these lines are. Look at this one here. Different one. Here's our guy. So, might make it better. So what we gonna do? We gonna go ahead and pump whatever refrigerant we have back in. Cut that shit out, and it's gonna be my first time doing it. Let's go. Oh my god, it's still just such a mess. Don't judge me. See that new 5/8. Oh god. Shut down. Boom, boom. Bleed out some vapors. So these are gonna be my main sources of tools. I'm gonna clean, and I do have plenty of slack so I can bring it back. I'm gonna clean deeper, my little reamer there, and then we're gonna try to see how it does. Sporlin has not sponsored this, but if you guys want to send me some Zoomlock tool, press tool, I'm all for it. Or RLS, either one. Paul, I see you, homie. Let's get this on the ball, huh? Let's clean this shit up and see what we can do. See how boogered up this thing is. We'll see. We will see. So for whatever reason, that one didn't film, but I got it on there. I thought I had it filming. And now we'll get ready to press this one in. Nice clean cut, deburred. So let's give it a shot. And that's it. You got your depth there. You can see through. I see it in there. I'm happy with it. Yep, that shit ain't going, see? It ain't going nowhere.
You're going nowhere.
Well, let's throw some nitrogen bubbles and see what's up. Let's dial this in, put some pressure. See where it comes back. I mean, I don't hear nothing right now. But like I said, we'll go throw some bulbs around it. All right, got it on right about there. It is 9:55, and we'll give it 10 minutes. Oh, kind of can't do much down there because, yeah, ground. I mean, it's been 7 minutes. It's fluctuating between 198.7 and 198.8. Honestly, a whole lot better than I had truly anticipated. I mean, it's a beefy mub, you know what I mean? I think we're good on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum it, wrap it up, add the charge that I need. That's really it on this. We're gonna see how this thing actually holds up to the test of time over the course of time, but that's gonna conclude this one. This is my first time on this. Again, if y'all wanna see me do some more goofy shit like this, you know what to do, right? Subscribe, all my subscribers. I appreciate y'all. Smash the like button. Just do it. Goes a long way. And I got some more videos rolling out. I'm telling you, it's just we're gonna be doing some new stuff this year. It's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Join the ride. Let's have a good year. Later.